Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what we have here. We have a heated blanket for dogs. This one here is for big dogs, even though I have my little dog here. My buddy's got the big dog, so this is going to be for dogs. But I'll show you guys how this works. Put this up here for a second. So this is it. It's a nice kind of a waterproof kind of mat here. And then it opens up nice and big there. And then here we go. We have the connector here. So this will connect it up, and it's in there really good. So, and it's got a nice thick cord, so they won't be chewing on it. And then it would just plug in there, and then it'll heat up. She's already wanting to stand on it. Oh, let me turn it around here. Let's turn it this way. Good girl. You want to sit on it? You can sit on it. There you go. Come on. Come here. Good girl. Well, we'll see if she comes onto it here in a second. Let me go plug it in and see how it heats up. She'll probably like it heated up. Put that up here. Plug this in. So, I don't know if you can see right there. Now it's plugged in. I can turn it on, and now it sees 120. I can make it 100 degrees or whatever. We'll just say 115. So we'll see. I can feel there's a little bit of veining going on in there, which is, I guess, is the heating coils. Yeah, I do feel some heating starting now. So this is it here. Come here, you want to sit up here, Penny? She's a little anxious today, but you want to try this? Come on, girl. Hell, here, I know what I'll do. Put it right there. Come get it. Good girl. But this is it. So this, oh, it's warm. I want to lay on it. But yeah, so this is it. So it's a good little heating pen. It's a pretty good size. So if you have a nice big dog that wants to be warm, you could probably even put this outside, like on a patio or something like that in the little backyard if it's on a cold day, and keep the doggy nice and warm. Very cool. She doesn't like what I'm doing here. She doesn't like the sound, I guess. But good girl. But really cool. Thumbs up for me. Super cool.